This Business in Focus is a paid segment by Modernistic, experts in carpet and air duct cleaning.
Well, Modernistic Cleaning and Restoration is now serving Northern Michigan. The family-owned and operating business has been around since 1973. While they're new to town, they're definitely not new to us here in Michigan. We have not one but two of the incredible leading women of this company. We have the CEO, Jill, here with us, and the COO, Rachel, both here with us. Thank you so much for both of you being with us today.
Absolutely. We're so happy to be here.
Yes, thanks for having us.
Let's kind of start with, for those people that maybe have never heard of Modernistic, Rachel, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, definitely. We are a cleaning and restoration company. We offer carpet cleaning, air duct cleaning, flood and fire restoration. Like you said, we're not a new business, but new to Traverse City. You've probably heard our jingle, Modernistic, simple and quick. Now it's in everyone's heads.
Yes.
So we have 7 locations across the state, about 200 team members, but we are just so excited to finally be in Traverse City.
Yeah. And I think what makes Modernistic so incredible is the rich history that you guys have. Jill, can you kind of fill us in on the background of Modernistic? Because it's really incredible.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, my dad started Modernistic out of his garage in 1973. In 1985, Rachel's family started Modernistic on the west side of the state, out of Plainwell, Kalamazoo area. And we've both grown up in the business, which has been really insightful, very rewarding. So many people have been with our company since it started nearly 50 years ago. So it's like family. Rachel and I also have grown up together right up here up north on Long Lake. We've spent every single summer, and it's been a life goal for us to one day reside here permanently. And we're so happy that we get to start that forever now.
Because you guys are moving your headquarters to Traverse City, which is absolutely incredible. Why Traverse City?
It has seriously been a life goal. And, you know, with the pandemic, it really accelerated our ability to work from home. If nothing else, a small silver lining there. And so a lot with the ability to work remote, we decided, you know what, we can realize that dream sooner rather than later. And we couldn't be more thrilled about it.
We're raving fans. I didn't know we could love Traverse City any more than we already do. But every day I get goosebumps talking about it. We both love it a little bit more. So
yeah. You guys are also looking to hire people here too. Rachel, tell us a little bit about some of the opportunities available.
Yes, we are hiring carpet cleaning technicians, restoration technicians. We start at $15 an hour. That's where everyone in the company starts. We have a signing bonus if you choose to come aboard. And Jill, you can tell them a little bit about that conversation you were having with Bob.
Yeah, so I was speaking with my dad, which I always refer to him as Bob, about hiring up here. And he started reminiscing about how his favorite time in the company was when he himself was running a truck. He was talking about, hey, having the windows down, the sun on my face, getting to meet new people every single day, creating cheerleaders, and how many of those customers of his became lifelong friends. And, you know, he's really, you know, trying to get me all psyched up about finding more talent to bring on our team, and just what a great position it is. It's physical work too as well. So it really requires people who like that on the job and just, you know, something different every day.
And it's really becoming a member of the family, the extended family, which is so awesome. When you'd like to learn more about Modernistic, or maybe even have them come out to your home, you can give them a call at 800-609-1000, or you can schedule online at modernistic.com. And as always, we'll post all the information for you on 9and10news.com.